Hi friends, today I'm practicing reading about what are hiccups and why do we get them. I know it is have been time. We all humans existence. Someone get hiccups. They said sweet. I hope this last phrase long as is possible. These hiccups are super young. They will be painful. This video makes us and hiccups how they happen and we will survive someone. Yes. First, look out how metal works mechanically. There's a pattern of how to exercise. This by this the tissue of volume. This will not spy. Speed, base, alt. This friction does it and that's side especially like it. Other side, see lungs. This lungs see slides, but maintenance gets called this. It uses the rate of vowels lungs. Three lobes right arm and two lobes in the left lung. The lungs as well as the inside of the rib cage. They show C and C shade is just to call plural 60 single tail octet clear self. Notice is the top of some of muscle here called call the diaphragm. That's round. It has all action flying out and slightly. The full abdomen start sitting on the beautifully kept. The third full leg separates those two broad layers. Provide a classic page in the classic driver and the first lungs are vascular. That's where between two layers of blood connects pressure and pressure certainly connects the lungs in themselves to the rib cage walls as well as the portion of the diaphragm. The muscles is connected to a train wiring of gravity and that way into ball. Happen is related to act is to skeletal muscle and but is what such actually connected to it back to there. Nice left the pressure is a brings the collars pushing and seem to plant around where the diaphragm comes is the diaphragm into flat. At flat since that chilly lungs are going towards why at newly created space. I like to get similar. We roll deep space and cause air or fluid or rushing and occupies the space in negative pressure. And start to repeat. When diaphragm is acts, it acts a negative pressure inside the lungs, which is in machine. All about pressure. Now plant how it works. Like clubs, it's actually smooth diaphragm as it is going to maximum already. And when you jam, it can pass its buttons. It is works so much, need too much, so quickly, mislead, find too much, so on and on. New results, nutrients, as it takes all to be woman's from life it takes practice everything once born. These things not have to show this work hiccups. Thus, we should technically larger, but physiologically, if it is not that essential, that's not wrong. What you do is atmosphere out here, it's flight here. You should extend this segment up because of right system and base them to other starts and elbow and signal back to the same principle as we should number one with less called there from call this reflexes as we step better. But all from the text, the was as a flashing, but one must immediately persons at the same shot. Actually, when I was one second, it's a triple seven. From the slime patients and the useless self-residential. and several documentations of it lasting much longer. Much at 69 years. After sounded lawful. Master said, held to please abolish fathers of our buildings. Drinking water after social serves all but is not food. Although some said you can smack is what places. Administered not private to and hospital jobs. But I is not scientifically known sure hiccups. Not all those communities have been the say of jumping in eruption can be missed because of sound like signal as a signal to drive from no leave essentially stop hiccups doing. Yes, you got to choose one possible long as work. All you need to is get man of your reflex. That will help you understand your hiccups a little bit. At least I won't tell you one. You are from not but make yourself more right. I'm not sure it's fine. But after question that we outputting which are economics so is mainly Amazon words like this. These have rails and stickers so not the card. Sometimes this is amazing card but we can description about watching and see you. Bye friends.